Basketball uses a lot of the laws of motion. Whether it's dribbling, passing, or shooting, all three laws apply to each one of those things. By learning more about physics and its application to basketball, you can become a better basketball player. Let's start with passing. In this video, the third law is shown by the ball being thrown at an angle, so when it hits the ground, the equal and opposite force propels the ball forward at the angle it was thrown at. This type of passing uses more force by adding acceleration to the ball, so it is easier to come back to me. I actually have to step back since there's more force. When dealing with passing, the law of inertia is applied when you catch the ball. Let's move on to dribbling. When dribbling, you hit the ball and it comes back to you. For more control, people like Chris Paul and others dribble the ball with more force so they have better control. In this video, I will show that with dribbling the ball faster than at first. When someone does a crossover, it has some of the same type of equal and opposite force. Think of it like passing from hand to hand. When you're dribbling it, you're hitting the ball at an angle to get to your other hand using the equal and opposite force. In basketball, the first law only happens when you either make a mistake and it rolls off your foot, or you catch it with your other hand. Let's move on to the last aspect, shooting. When you're shooting the basketball, you apply a force to propel the ball towards the basket. The ball is met with an opposite and equal force when it hits the rim or the backboard. For this reason, many players apply a backspin so it can change the trajectory of the ball when they miss. It gives them a second chance. It is easy to see that the second law applies to shooting. When you are shooting a three-pointer, you need to apply more force than when you shoot a two-pointer. This is to simply ensure that the ball will travel enough distance before the ball hits the floor due to the force of gravity. In basketball, the most important thing is knowing how to shoot properly and using the laws of physics to do so. When you shoot the ball, it flies in the air until it either hits backboard, rim, airballs and hits the floor, or if you're like me, nothing but net.
I do not own any of the photos or videos used.